the pass, binit-bit, goes, umbig, side step Fajardo, and here you go, Valmonte, to the hoops, basket and one, Valmonte, tumalsik dun, and wala pa rin nakaka-score, Spurs, blood, Gigin in the pass, and Valmonte, no look pass again, the lace, and the finish! Welcome to Bulacan Intertown. May Kawayan versus Giginto. Palsik dun. And wala pa rin nakaka-score. Spurs blood. Gigintil. Tie at 2. And the high pass. Takes. Goes inside. Pull up jumper. Yes, it's in. And here's Team Giginto. 4-3. Won't go. Rebound. And here's Altair. So stolen. Here's one Giginto. No oop. Kicks out. Open look. 4-3. Bang! 2 points. The rebound. Here's Valmonte. Valmonte the bounce pass. 4-3. Won't go. Rebound. Para kay number 9. Altajeros. 4-3. Bang! Valmonte. Inbound for Team May Kawayan. The high pass. Deep 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Pass to the corner. Inside pass. Pass rejected. And here you go, Valmonte. To the hoops. Basket and one. Valmonte. Valmonte for completing the 3-point play. Yes, it's in the net. Kawayan basketball. The pass. And pass, here's Valmonte, now look pass, space, yes sir! Masiglat inbounding. And a finish, Masiglat! Here's Gomez, Gomez is spinning, sets the play, the pass to Gordon. Gordon goes to the screen, attacks, inside he spins, is stolen, and the pass. And Valmonte, no look pass again, the lace, and the finish! Gomez against Valmonte. Attacks. The alley pass. Then the finish. And one. Fajardo. 3-point play. Fajardo. Here comes Valmonte against Gomez. Between the legs. Crossover. Bounce pass. Close up. Fire, so Gomez dribbling at the top, goes to the middle, attacks, lost the handle, stolen, and here's Valmonte, tinignan pa, reverse na yapo, Minecos! Spins, inside pass, and another 2 for Masigla. Gomez to the corner 3. Bang! Nothing but net. That's the end of Masiglat to the middle. Inside pass and 5. Basket and 1. And now the top. Gordon will drive. Will fire. Bucket. Pinabitin pa. And here's Team May Kawayan. Guarded by 2. The pass. And another extra pass. Lost the handle. Recover. Decided and attacks. Bump. And lost the recover again. Baseline 3. Bang! Trip. And the pass. Binit-bit. Goes umbig. Side step Fajardo. And now in hurry. Behind the back dribble. The pass to the baseline. Bounce pass inside. Kicks out. Open. Fires at 3. Bang! Back to back. And here comes Team May Kawayan. The pass to the middle. And stolen. And here's Gordon behind the back dribble. Stop, fakes. Inside pass. Level, wala. Follow-up shot. And pass. Here's Gordon. And corner. Open. Gomez for 3. Bang! 3. Here's Gomez. Deep 3. Bang! Another 3. Gomez! And attacking the defense. Binabitin. Bakit? Oh no. Basket. Oh. The pass. Pass back. Gomez. Drives. Floater. Nugget. Rebound. Mapupunta sa May Kawayan. Valmonte. Deep 3. Nugget. Rebound. Pass, pull-up jumper. Won't go. Rebound, picks, spins. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Gomez. Pass to Gordon. Drives. Goal. Hang time. Sets the play. Gomez asking for a pick. Bounce pass. The pass. Picks. Drives. Inside. Lays. Yes, sir. Valmonte against Gomez. Stop. Open look for 3. No good. Rebound. Masigla. Tinatid. Hanggang sa loob. Bakit? Kinain. For the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. To the middle. Attack. Super. Yay. Easy to. Lusot na lusot. Valmonte. Dancing at the floor. Bounce. Oop. Naagawan. Alcantara. To the hoops. Basket. And stolen by Gomez. Gomez is stopped. And the pass. Extra pass. And easy bucket tinap for Panangguin. We are at 44. Drives the hoop. And scoop layup na good. Rebound para sa Juan Giginto. Spinning. Attacking 3-on-0. Owen Lies. And for the lead. Here's Javier at the top. Valmonte. Valmonte goes inside, pass inside, a love pass and a finish. Pass it to Gordon. And the pass. Alcantara to the hoops. Won't go. Rebound Gordon, one bounce and pass. Libre. Easy to Alcantara. And here's Valmonte stolen. And the pass. And Alcantara, easy bucket. Alcantara. Cruz, the pass. Valmonte, no look pass. Rejected by Fajardo. Now looking for the receiver. Kicks out. Valmonte, the receive. Inside pass, the lob pass. And it's finish. Cruz. And the long pass. And far, binawi agad. Alcantara. And high pass. Valmonte goes inside, attacks, bounce pass, rejected. Oh! For 3, short. Put back and a bucket. Pass to Gordon. Gordon with the ball. Dribble the ball. Will bump, will fire. Bucket, the fade away. Gordon. And it's Valmonte against Gomez. Against Alcantara now. Pass to the wings area. Cruz. Cross pass. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Napakabilis naman. Gomez. No look pass. Lays. Basket is good. Alcantara. And the long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. And sinausaw. Here comes Gus. Gus to the middle. Goes to the screen. Pull up jumper at the free throw. Bullseye. Altarejo in the pass to the middle. Pass Cruz with the finish. Valmonte a Cruz. Oh, rejected. Baseball pass. Sakto yung pass. Ayers number 7 to the hoops. Easy to. Number 1 for team May Kawayan. Slowly dribbling the ball. Attacking, bumping, step back and pass to the wings area. Lays. No. Rebound and the putback and the finish. Baseball pass. Nauna na. Alcantara to the hoops and easy to. Alcantara. That's the end. Gomez penetrates. Attacks. To the hoops, off the glass, bucket is good. At the top, goes to the screen, Gomez, creating space, pass to Gordon. Gordon, floater shot. Bucket is good, the lucky bounce, Gordon. And the high pass, Valmonte bounce pass, Masiglat will lace, easy to Masiglat. Gomez. Gomez goes to the screen. Gomez kicks corner. Pull up J open. In and out. Rebound. Masiglat. Valmonte. Spinning. Attacking inside pass. Takes. Fire. Basket and one. Kain. Masiglat for the 3-point play. Three-point lead. Rebound by Masiglat. The pass break. Here's Valmonte. Low look pass and fire. Yes, sir. And pass to the middle. Drives Javier. And the extra pass inside. And a bucket for two. Sagum to Gordon. Pass to the wings. Alcantara open look. Bang! Nothing but net. Attacks. Kicks out. Valmonte. Against Alcantara. And cross pass sa gitna. Angeles. Spins bump. Hook shot. No good. Rebound and the pass break. For the tie. Alcantara. Bucket for two. Tie game. And here's Mekawayan. Valmonte pass to Santos. Santos kicks out. Javier to the middle. Santos rejected. Pass break for the lead. Alcantara. Easy bucket for the lead. Javier to the middle. Spinning. Bump. Stolen. Gomez. Up. Mercado. Dancing. Alcantara. Uy! Second throw. In and out. And here's Mekawayan. Number 1 now at the top. The pass to the right side. Deep 3. Bam! 3-point. Gordon. Pass to the corner. Attacks. First on the free throw. Basket is good. Tied 78 for the lead. And it's in. Up by 1. And the long pass. Stolen by Gomez. And the pass. Fajardo. In second throw. And it's in. And the pass. Easy bucket down to 1-point lead. 48 seconds. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound. Mekawayan. Basketball. And natapikan. Recover. Inside pass. Goes out. Takes and pass. Open look. Far sa 3. No good. Rebound. Giginto. At the free throw. First throw. Bucket is good. 2-point lead. And its second free throw is in. It's on the game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Attacks. Wheels inside. He fires. Basket down to 1-point lead. 0.7 seconds. Giginto. Basketball for the inbound. Here's Alcantara. The pass to Mercado. Number 14. And the pass. Alcantara. Cross pass. And the pass. First free throw is in. Second throw basket. 3-point lead. Alterejos. Oh, stolen by Gomez. Gomez will lace and a bucket. Gomez. The end of the game.